Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What am I messing with today? I got a 2013 Volkswagen Passat 2.5 liter. Y'all like my Matco? My Matco beanie with lights, got Bluetooth in it too. It's customer stated she put diesel in it, then she drove it home, and then it wouldn't start the next morning. Wasn't even a half a tank, about a quarter of a tank. So I come out to the car and I look at the fuel nozzle or the fuel inlet, and it's gasoline. You can see where diesel had been all over it. So I'm like, great. So I pull out the back seat because the fuel pump is accessible from underneath the back seat, and sure enough, there's diesel in it. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and turn the camera around so you can see the diesel inside of the fuel tank. Alright, so here we are in the back of the car. Yummy. Straight diesel. There's a little bit of gas. It smells mostly like diesel though. I feel like you can see my Cornwall reflection from the light off of there. Pretty cool. Bring it around over here so you can see the pump. Gonna be getting a new pump anyway, but you look down in there, that's diesel. She's gonna be getting a new pump. This had actually fell off too, the strainer. So what do we learn? Let's not put diesel inside of a gasoline engine. It's gonna be costly because I gotta put a pump in it. I gotta drain all this out, suck it all out somehow, flush the system, put gas in it, put a new pump in it, and then go from there. Anyway, I appreciate it guys. I love you. See you on the next one.